This is the fingerboard with the truck and some stickers. A big Broken Knuckles fingerboard sticker. Postal code with 10% off discount for sources, and a letter facturation. So this was my unboxing of that People Republic basic fingerboard. So thanks for watching. I hope you appreciated that video. I'm gonna make another video of that montage fingerboard. So thank you.